Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a motivational letter for an internship application. What is a motivational letter for an internship application? A motivational letter for an internship application is a document where an applicant articulates their enthusiasm, qualifications, and specific reasons for wanting to intern with a particular organization. This letter serves to convince the recipient of the applicant's suitability for the internship, by detailing how their skills, experiences, and goals align with the objectives of the organization. It aims to showcase the applicant's commitment, and differentiate them from other candidates. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a motivational letter for an internship application step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will have to write your full name. Under it, write your university or college name. Don't forget to write also the address of the university. Include the city, state, and the zip code. You can also write your contact information like phone number and email address. And now, write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. Here, you must write the recipient's full name. Under it, write their occupation. If you have no idea, you may directly write the name of the company or organization. Under it, write the address of the office of the company or organization. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you've done, now you write the subject of the letter. Simply, you can write, Application for Software Development Internship. After completing these information, you can now open the letter with a formal salutation. You may write, Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can start with the expression of interest and background. You show your interest in position. Here, you can begin by stating an interest in the internship, immediately making clear the purpose of the letter. Don't forget to mention the name of the company as well. Here is how you write it. I am writing to express my keen interest in the software development internship position, advertised by Innovative Tech Solutions. After that, now you need to talk about your educational background. In this case, you need to mention the current academic status and field of study, to provide context about the applicant's qualifications. You may write something like, as a junior year student majoring in computer science at the University of California, Los Angeles, I am eager to apply the knowledge I've gained in the classroom to real-world challenges. And now, show your attraction to the company. It is a must that you explain why the applicant is drawn to the company, emphasizing alignment with the company's mission and values. Here is a good example how to write it. I am particularly drawn to Innovative Tech Solutions, because of its commitment to pioneering innovative technology solutions that address real-world problems. For the next, you can write brief about academic and project experience. Of course, it will be excellent if you give example of relevant work. Yes, describe a specific project related to the internship. This will be showing direct experience and success in relevant tasks. You can simply write, throughout my academic career, I have demonstrated a strong work ethic and a commitment to excellence. And don't forget to talk about skills development. It is necessary that you highlight key skills developed through the project that are applicable to the internship. You have to ensure the recipients how qualified you are. This is the example how you write it. For instance, I led a team project to develop a mobile app that simplifies student course scheduling, which improved user experience for over 1,000 students at my university. And talk more about it. Not all candidates have this, so you need to be confident when you elaborate it. For example these experiences have honed my analytical, leadership, and communication skills, making me well prepared to contribute to Innovative Tech Solutions goals. You just need to create a strong image that you are all-rounder. In the third paragraph, this is where you talk about extracurricular involvement. You need to mention relevant club participation. Here, you can discuss your involvement in extracurricular activities that further demonstrate relevant skills and passion for the field. Of course, you can only mention the ones that are related to the job you apply. Here is the example how you write it. In addition to my academic achievements, I have actively participated in the coding club at my university, further developing my coding skills, and collaborating on various projects that fostered my passion for software development. In the fourth paragraph, you can talk about specific interests and aspirations. In this case, the right shows specific technological interest. Therefore, the writer mentions a particular area of technology the applicant is interested in, which is relevant to the company's work. If you have the same field, you may simply copy this. I am particularly interested in cloud computing, and am excited about the opportunity to learn more about innovative tech solutions cloud-based projects. And now you need to show your desire to contribute to the company. Of course, you have to express enthusiasm for contributing to specific company projects. This will be demonstrating both initiative and a proactive attitude. You may write something like, I believe that an internship at Innovative Tech Solutions would not only provide me with invaluable experience in software development, but also allow me to bring a fresh perspective and contribute ideas to your team. Sure, you can modify this based on the field you apply. In the fifth paragraph, this will be about statement of confidence and contribution. Here, you need to reaffirm belief in the ability to contribute positively to the company. This is how you write it. I am enthusiastic about the possibility of joining Innovative Tech Solutions as an intern, and am confident in my ability to make a meaningful contribution. And mention your resume and other enclosures in this paragraph. So the recipient will check the documents after reading this. You may write something like, enclosed is my resume, which provides further details about my background and qualifications. Not only that, you can also ask for an invitation to interview. Yes, it is highly recommended that you request an opportunity for an interview. This will be showing eagerness to discuss the potential contribution in more detail. You may write something like, I welcome the opportunity to discuss my application in more detail, and am available for an interview at your earliest convenience. In the last paragraph, this is for appreciation for consideration. You need to thank the recipient for considering the application. You may simply write, thank you for considering my application. And write anticipation of involvement. You should express excitement about the possibility of contributing to the company. Here is the example. I am looking forward to the opportunity to contribute to Innovative Tech Solutions, and to further develop my skills in software development. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a motivational letter for an internship application step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.